Hey guys, today we're doing a review on the Traxxas Performance Series shock caps. They're $14. We picked them up for that price. They're definitely an upgrade to the original plastic ones that we have here. These are pretty much like the upgrade ready by the truck. You really want these. These ones, like especially if you're gonna like do this for racing, you really need the aluminum ones because the plastic ones will strip really easy and then oil's everywhere, and they're just not as good. So, yeah. I'll also do an installation on them. Just need to get my hex driver, which I don't know I have. Hopefully I have the right size, but anyway. Yes, okay. We're going to install them on the front, and you can take the whole wheel off and just take the whole shock off. But I'm just going to do it the simple way by just screwing that off. So we're going to open this up. Just going to wedge that up. Peel that off, and then you can just try to poke a hole in this. And you can just
Ethan, you should come up and shower.
tear off.
Taps in your neck.
Okay, you can just tear off the backing. Sorry, this is taking forever, but it's, yeah. Boom, and then there's like this foam pad, and you can see the shocks. You can just kind of ease the foam pad out. And this is when it's out. It has like this little thing on it, which is just held on by some glue of some sort. But yeah, nice holder if you want to store them. So you can just push them out and grab the aluminum. And then here they are. So yeah. Now we're going to unscrew it off our slash here. With our hex driver. Boom. Take that off. And then unscrew this. You know, careful here because the oil will try to come out. And then you got that. Make sure your oil's inside out. And there's gonna be this little like the bladder in there, which you have to get out. There we go. And mine went launching. It was pretty satisfying, but just making sure it's in there nice and good. Just like so. And you can just take it and then screw this back on. Boom. Take your shoulder screw, slide that back in, and then just take your hex driver. The truck will try to fall, so hold it up or have it on a support of some sort. screwing in. And then you screw it in, get it tight. And then boom, you have your aluminum shock caps installed. Like I said, I recommend this upgrade, especially for good racing. Also, if you want to have a better life and have to do less repairs, if you're just a basher, highly recommend the product. Your oil won't expire as less, and you don't have to worry about all the shock maintenance as much. And then, yeah, so that's how you install it. Same procedure for the back. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Remember to like and subscribe. And this is Traxxas Productions signing out.